Monster Radio RX 93.1, and we
A little reversal of roles.
Oh, what?
Kiefer has a question. Well, Kiefer's coach, has a question for you, Chico.
What?
Yeah.
Go Kiefer.
Go for
Oh,
it.
good lord!
Wait, why are you named Kiefer?
After the actor?
Yeah.
Sutherland.
Is it, no?
Talaga.
No, because when he came out, he was like, oh, this one's a Kiefer.
What's your
Trafford,
question?
Si Trafford na naman.
What?
Si Trafford Kiefer na naman.
Super Kiefer.
I know, right?
Na sa'yo naman daw, how does it feel trying out for a university team?
Well, actually,
Sumagot!
Well, kasi ako, experience ko with Coach Jamike, sobrang memorable kasi yun nga, it's the first time I shaved my head.
Oh.
Just to go into the team.
Si Chico shaped something else.
actually,
I really wanted to go to the team in my first year. So that's what I did.
ako kasi, it was, na-scout ako eh.
Na-scout!
Let's go!
Then I joined our liga in the village.
Liga?
So, nagliga muna ako. Tapos,
Discover.
Kaya yan maligaling eh.
and then after that, so I thought, sige, ano na lang ako. Sabi nga ni Coach Richard, sabi niya, you want, no need to audition. Parang shoe-in na ako eh.
Formality na lang.
Formality na lang. So sabi nila, para akong si...
Kiefer, don't encourage him.
sabi na, although you may not have the height, pero you're a jumper eh.
Jumper?
Sabi ko, at saka I do
Kapag nakita
excel.
ng ipis, tumatalon.
At saka magaling ako sa yung 3-point.
Salita.
Yung 3-point shot. Ano yun? Rainbow, right?
Connection.
Rainbow. 3
Rainbow
points. May tawag kami nun eh. Sa 3-point shot.
Tsaka, take note na hindi tryout eh, audition.
Audition.
Halatang hindi na varsity eh.
Okay, let's say hello to Luis who says, uy, si Kiefer, kabarkada natin yan. Favorite na barkada, one big fight. Let's get into questions. We have a lot for you, okay? So sunod-sunod to. Okay,
Ito, I have one. Quick lang. Butter Baby was just saying, Kiefer, di mo ba naisip maging football player para maging goalkeeper ka?
sorry ah.
Goalkeeper.
Pero pwede.
Why are you number 15? This is a question from Jegda31.
When I was in LaSalle, there was no number left. Because I was the youngest, so I get to pick last.
No.
That was the only number left, 15. That was in 03. So I carried it on
So no,
sweat,
no,
on
ano?
sweat. No, nothing special.
It
Parang
wasn't-
it's not your
Walang
birthday
background.
or
But it's not what
whatever.
you chose.
Wala actually.
No, it's the number that chose you, no?
So di na lang ako nasagot.
Dan, what's that? Clan to dare. I don't know what that means. But anyway, this person says, dahil sa I'm locked in to the morning rush with Kiefer Ravenna, nalumampas ako sa MRT station. Paano daw manligaw ang isang basketball player? This is from Chessy Mode.
Chess.
Magaling mag-guard dyan.
Siyempre kailangan. Yun nga. Kailangan depensa.
Depensa.
Tsaka bumabox out pag
Tapos,
maraming pag marami umaaligid, box out.
Na-apply din na-apply din
Diba?
yung basketball skills. So, gano'n lang, Siyempre, dedicate ng time. Normal.
Paano mag-practice? Pag
Siyempre, kailangan yung girl understanding.
Understanding.
Yan, unang-una.
Ano ko underage?
Kailangan din.
Let's go. Here's another one from Maui says, who's here? Okay, so Kiefer, why didn't you play for the Philippines during the 2010 Youth Olympics?
The UAP was ongoing. Juniors ako nun. It was ongoing. I was supposed to play. I was in ako na kahit balikan just to play.
Yeah.
Pero it was yun nga, on UAP, tas I had school pa. So
Too much.
I had to sacrifice.
Did you
Which
feel bad?
really hurts.
Yeah, Olympics.
It's Olympics. So hanggang ngayon, naaalala ko pa rin. So, pero okay lang. They did good naman. They made the Philippines proud. Sina Ray, Jeron, Mike Tolomia, and Kevin Ferrer are good friends of mine also.
What's the most points you ever made in one game? What's your personal record? You keep a
The
track of
UAP
that?
is the UAP.
I mean, like ever.
Ever? When I was in grade school, I scored like 60 something.
Wow! Parang average ko lang pala eh.
Oh,
Ay, naku, bakit ka, Kiefer?
Ay, nako.
60 something, yeah.
Sa 2K. Sa 2K yun yung average.
Hey, do you play 2K13?
Yeah, I do.
You do.
You do.
Yeah. Best thing I have says, kung ikaw ang Kobe ng UAAP, sino naman ang masasabi mong LeBron?
Nakaw.
LeBron Jaron.
Talaga. Alright, here we
O
go.
OM Rivaldos was just saying, after your UAAP career, what do you prefer, Smart Gilas or PBA?
Yan. Everyone's waiting for that
Actually,
answer.
pero tagal pa I have 3 more years to the UAAP. So, it's a long wait. Pero, probably, Gilas is there. I love to represent the Philippines again.
Right.
It's
Right.
different kasi. So, probably, leaning on the Gilas team.
For now, 3
Yeah,
years
for now,
away.
3 years away.
Dapat magpakitang gilas kami.
Sa 3 years.
Okay, so obviously, like, confidence is a huge part of basketball, right? I mean, you have to, like, know that your shots are going in and whatever. And okay, here's a question for you. Like, obviously, the NBA is, like, parang the dream place of any
Yeah,
basketball player to go to. Do you think this is, like, a realistic goal? Or parang, is it something na parang, okay, hindi na, parang, is it something that you really want to strive for? Or?
Yeah, syempre, dream nyo lang siya. I mean, it's open. And may isa lang makapenetrate sa NBA na Pinoy, sunod-sunod na yan. Yun lang yun.
Importante yung penetration.
Oo,
Ay,
important.
nako. Gino!
What? It's true. Even in basketball, diba, penetration to the basket is always key.
Oh wait, let's make somebody kilig lang.
Uh,
Kiefer, nag-hi siya sa'yo eh. So, say hi to her. Say hi to Pat Salvador. Kinikilig na daw siya na dito.
Hi, Pat. Hi, hello. Thanks for listening.
Ako baka nangingisay na ito. Sure.
Then mag-hi din pala ako sa fans ko, sa Son, and then kanila Pat Cruz, Jonah, Jamie, and Jem. Hello guys, thank you for always being there.
Sino daw mas idol mo? Si Ninong Verhelmo o dad mo? From PBA-ologist.
Pareho sila.
Hindi mo Wawet Faustino was just saying, okay, so how do you feel about next year when Coach Norman, Greg Slaughter, and Nico Salva will be gone?
It's hard, it's difficult because probably 80% of our offense sa paint nawala with Greg, Nico, and Justin Chua gone. Pero we'll do our best to make it up for probably speed, athleticism for the team next year. Pero we're sad that Coach Norman's leaving.
Yeah.
Hi, Coach Norman. I probably can reconsider your decision. And to Boss MVP also, hello, good morning. So yun lang, kailangan siguro we have to adjust next year.
Oh, there's a question there for you. What can you say about MVP leaving Ateneo?
It's sad to leave.
Yeah.
It's sad,
Yeah.
pero it's life.
It's life.
It's life.
But much
Everyone was
like your
so-
your
Oh,
teammates.
teammates, I mean,
At some point.
At some point, they'll have to move on.
Meron talagang
Yeah.
aalis at aalis. So, it's sad na MVP's leaving. Pero I know, nandyan pa rin siya sa amin, tumutulong. Tutulong pa rin at tutulong, of course, at
Right.
sa Salmo Matter. So, kahit pa paano, still hoping for the best for MVP, kahit wala siya sa amin.
Are you like friends with anyone from
Actually,
Lasal?
yeah.
Yeah, a lot.
I'm just curious, kasi with all the rivalry going
I've
on.
been friends with mostly all of them, actually.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Somebody was asking, Dodge Barry was asking, who is a good friend of yours from another team?
RR Garcia is a very, very good friend of mine.
Yeah.
Baser Amer from San Beda is a very good friend of mine. A lot, actually, Jeron, Jeric Fortuna is tuning in right now.
Mhm.
Hello. Marami, actually. That's the thing I maintain. Kahit magkakalaban
Right.
kami, sa court lang.
Sa court lang.
Pero sa labas,
That's always a nice way to go about doing things, diba?
Yeah.
kahit ano rin, advantage yan, syempre, pag
Sana ganyan din sa radyo.
kaibigan. Advantage din kaya kaibigan kayo sa labas ng court, pero pagdating ng
Hirap
court,
eh.
nandun pa rin yung factor na magkaibigan kayo, so hindi ka nila tinitira.
Sasaktan na
Right.
That's right, that's
Oh,
right.
right.
Ay, nasabi ko na yung secret ko.
Yun pala yun, kaya pala na yung kaibigan ng ano.
Hindi, pero wala. Pero it's important to keep your friends also.
Here's a question from Badge Adriano. Kiefer, anong ginagawa mo sa mga chicks ng Ateneo na patay sa'yo?
Wala.
Here's one from I am Dwayne B.
Ah!
Sorry, naughty question. Anong size daw ng paa mo?
Kasi hindi ko alam ano na
13.
13?
13!
Ikaw na! Ang malaki
Ang
pa.
malaki na, kasi marami na nagsasabi, ang laki ng kamay ni Kiefer, no?
13.
Malaki daw yung kamay mo.
Sige, raise your hand. Oh,
So,
wow.
ibig sabihin, malaki rin,
Hawak siyempre ng bola.
malaki rin yung puso niya.
Oo.
Diba yun yun? If you make a fist, no?
Ay, make it fist. That's how big your heart is.
Yeah.
Oh, did you post the...
Yes, I posted the
it.
Epic Quick already.
Just in case you wanted to see.
It's on facebook.com/rx931. If you haven't seen it yet, it's titled The Blue Eagle Meets the Golden Doves.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Do you have one more question?
No, I'm good.
You're good? How about you,
Ito,
Gino?
Place O Denise was just saying, how long did you sleep for after the bonfire?
Probably 3 hours.
Lang?
3 hours lang?
Lang?
Really?
What was the question again?
After the bonfire,
Yeah.
how long did... Really? How? Ba't ang bilis
Why
lang?
didn't you sleep the whole day?
After the one, I had something in the
Ah.
morning.
Tsaka another question was, people are saying na parang, are you considering entering showbiz while playing basketball? Like
Yun.
sort of like a Chris Chu thing going on.
Well, depends on what level of show business. Siguro pag yung mga acting.
No na.
No muna siguro if ever. So,
Well, plus, you know, you're still young.
yeah,
so,
and
you know, you have
of course,
a lot
as an athlete, you have to get decent amount of sleep.
Right.
Yeah.
Eh, pag showbiz talaga, they don't
Wala
get to
kang
sleep
tulog.
at all.
Yeah.
Wala nga tayong tulog eh. Hey, speaking of which, can we just say hello to Jessica Mendoza? She's going, bakit? Friends naman tayo, Gino. So, hello! That's true!
Ay, ay, ay. Alright, we're gonna take this break.
Alam mo
Okay?
talaga, kung kunyari nasa open booth lang tayo,
Oh.
hamunin ko tayo one-on-one.
No.
Ganon. Ano, kinakabahan ka ba?
Pero medyo kabahan ka sa depensa niyan, ha? Medyo sticky yung defense ni Gino. Oh, medyo delikado yung dumipensa yan eh.
Baka hindi mo pa nakikita yung moves na gano'n.
Tumata moves yan.
Alright, we're gonna take this break. When we come back, are we ready for the wrap-off?
One practice
One
lang.
practice.
One practice na, sige.
Alright, here we go.